Experience the ultimate buffalo adventure at Laos Buffalo Dairy. Feed, bathe, and milk our gentle buffaloes. Then bottle feed adorable calves and meet our playful goats, pigs, and rabbits. Indulge in homemade cake with ice cream and locally grown coffee, followed by an exclusive cheese and wine tasting in our private dining area with baby buffalo as your special guests. Meet our owner for insights into our social enterprise. From hands-on farming to gourmet delights. Create unforgettable memories where tradition meets culinary excellence. And sometimes our buffaloes bring their own extra guests.